Yeah, like the teacher.
Yeah, a teacher, yeah. Ooh, fun fact. Guess why the dolphin has no front teeth or front tooth? Guess why? Put it in the comments if you know why. So we're trying to come outside. The experience so far has been fantastic. Anyways, we reach. We're gonna try the dolphin experience. I'm so excited.
My dad fall over and then come back.
Look at that. Oh Lord.
Yeah, man, they want to get eaten.
Jesus!
Look at my face. You know, saying it taste no way.
Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Okay, so first thing on today's agenda is to go to the dolphin experience spot. So let's go. So we're going to try to do the swim with dolphins experience this morning. Let's see. So I'm going to try it. Oh, we got up this morning. I'm going to try the experience. This is how it looks.
I see somebody going to cool around and put on my door.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning. You can just walk up 1 moment.
Okay, sure.
What's the name?
Deal yesterday about swimming with the dolphins.
Okay, 1 moment.
Okay. So this is how we're looking before. My clothes fall on and I have my swimsuit underneath. So we made it to the dolphin experience point. Look at the houses over there. Let me set my glasses if they come up clear. Hold on. Like them house there, but against the canal. Expensive. Let me see if me come up clear on the phone. But anyways, we reach. We're gonna try the dolphin experience. I'm so excited. Alright, let's do this. Wait. Okay. Here for the dolphin experience. So after meeting with the staff, I had to sign a disclaimer and then we could begin. Look at the birds. I think they're like in those small areas. I have the seating area. You're going to stay, I guess you're going to be informed over here, and then you have them over that side. Face look wild, but put one towel on around myself. I think some of them are not tied properly. And then I'm going to put on water shoes. I'm tired. I want to sleep, but we're good at this. I look homeless, but I have to tie my hair for the experience. Let me just wake up. I'm gonna just wake up now. Alright, we're so ready for the experience though. They're like splashing up in the little pool area. Alright.
Somebody is a 14-year-old male dolphin who was born here 14 years ago. Okay, so how you'll be interacting with this platform, the water will be just about this height. The dolphin will come in between you and you get to interact with the dolphin like this. Smooth open palm, rub down. No tapping, no scratching. They shed their skin every 2 to 4 hours. So that would irritate. There's a thumb-like indentation. Basically a stop sign. You don't want to go below that. You don't want to go south of the border because we always know it's past our belly button, right?
Like, the experience so far has been fantastic. Then I'm allowed me to bring on my phone though at first, but that's my kiss.
That's your kiss. That's your kiss with your eye open.
This one is not bad. Which one is this one?
And that's completes your photos.
They have 2 dolphins here, Gumbe and Sandy. And then even can't even see me. Gumbe and Sandy. I'm gonna tell you that. Sunburnt, but I have Gumbe and Sandy, and hopefully them I got allow me to get some pictures with them or on video. I'm kind of excited. Okay, all right, let's go do this. Wow. Here you are. Thank you. Nice. And Sandy.
There we go.
That's cool. That's cool.
Alright, so once you go up, I'll tell you about your picture. You guys enjoyed it?
Yes. I'm so excited. Bye bye. That was super fun. That was super fun. Look at him. That was super fun. Sunburn, but worth every penny. Oh my gosh. My hands smell raw because I have fish. But loved it. Loved it. Sweaty, but loved it. Alright, so wash off. Now I wonder if there's some birds over this side. Okay, we can explore over this side. Is it focused? Is it focused? Alright, I'm probably need to wipe on the camera. This little one. Hi. Just is trying to lick me.
Stop it, Jessica.
School. Cheese. I don't know, my pictures didn't really look so right earlier. But here they are. Bring down the fish shiny. Alright, I'm gonna leave it now.
Yeah, like the teacher.
Yeah, a teacher, yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god, look at him.
Is he free? Is he free from you?
Almost there. Oh,
Jessica, stop that. Okay, we're talking about vibes right now, alright?
Jessica wants to be a part of the conversation. Hi, Jessica. Oh, Jessica. Jessica.
Give her a kiss. She kiss you back.
Oh, she'll give me.
Yeah, kiss her back. There you go. She like it. She like it.
Hi, Jessica. I don't know if the birds enough, but I like there are birds in here. Birdie. I'm not going to lie. Today has been a phenomenal day. Phenomenal. I know I didn't get much of the videos with the dolphins and stuff because phones are prohibited and blah blah blah. So I only get a few snippets. But it was Gumbe and Sandy. Gumbe looked like him ready for meat. Gumbe was distracted today. Gumbe wanted to hang up with Sandy. I'm like, boy, my umbrella blow it. Come on. So today is my free day. Alright. Obviously the umbrella not working today. I'm gonna lock off the umbrella. Yeah. Today's my free day to explore on my own. So let me stabilize my camera. to explore on my own. So I'm out here alone in these streets. Mommy's at home chilling. Yeah. And I'm out here exploring alone. So anyways, Gumba wanted to hang out with Sandy the entire time, but Sandy was very obedient. Sandy allowed us to rub her tummy and all of that. What else happened today? I'm going to do a lot of exercising to get from here to Lukaya. We're going up, not to Lukaya, we're going over to the beach, Taina Beach. I'm gonna my lips look. Taina Beach. So yeah, I'm just excited. I'm just happy because now I feel like me explore my vacation before because I was with my family. So you know, we do a lot of family stuff which I enjoy and love, but Japan let's blame Japan. I am definitely get some alone time, spend some alone time type of person. So yeah, let me see a look. What if it didn't look bad? Alright, so we're spending some alone time today. The people were really friendly. What minute about something one time. So first of all, whether you're using cash or card, if you're not paying online and you're paying in person, you have to go to the head office, which is in Port Lukaya, right? You pay there, and then after, I'm not looking at the camera. All right, so you pay at Port Lukaya, right? And then after, you're going to come over to their exploration area, and then over here you have the birds, you have the tortoise. I didn't go and play with the tortoise today, but you have the birds, and you have the dolphins, of course, and you have the turtles, and you get to play with those over this side, over that side. Tap in, yeah, and then you get like 1 hour in the water, but most of the time you're in groups, so that's the challenge right there. So you go in groups. Sorry, I got to interact with the dolphin alone because it was just me. So it was like 5 people. So you have pair, you have couple up because they come as couple. They interacted together, and then I interacted alone, which was good. I got alone time with the dolphins. I love that for me. What else going on today? So we spent time to splash around. They have 54 up to 108 teeth. I guess 100, so I was close. What else? The woman have 2 markings under her tummy area, like one for nip, one for baby. You know me talk. That's up there for mating, and one is for feeding the kitties. What are the fun facts I learned today? Them live young. Them live until like 24 or something like that. Yeah, them die young. Forever young. I wanna be forever. Yes, so them die young. Them born. When they come out, they come out with I think 1 strand of hair or a couple hair right along their mouth area, and then it disappear. Ooh, fun fact. Guess why the dolphin has no front teeth or front tooth? Guess why? Put it in the comments if you know why. I know why. You put it in a comment. Did you comment? Because, whoa, my shoulder hurt me. Change on. Yeah, so they have no front tooth because when they come out and they have to, you know, nurse, suckle on the mother tit. I'm trying not to be penalized, but I have to suckle on the mother tit, right? And whoa, my umbrella mash up, and they lose their front tooth in the motion of doing, because they clamp down and them lose it, and they never grow back. We can't see a thing. But yeah, what else going on? I'm gonna look some food right about now. I have some snacks, but I also want some food. What else is happening? What else is happening? What else is happening? It's happening. What happens today? I'm out touring today. Did you know that you can curry oxtail? I had some of the best curry oxtail yesterday in my Thailand. And the rice and peas are rich with coconut milk and plantain and vegetable. I am happy. Me again, couple pounds. But it has been good. Anyways, I'm gonna focus on the road now. We outside. Guys, I don't know why I never bring my aunt. Come my umbrella. It now work. The sun hot. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. I can't remember the name of the restaurant. The sun very hot. My nose, I sweat. I can't remember the name of the restaurant where the ladies must try. Come at Fish Fry the other day. This is where we came to eat. Yeah. This place. I'm going to try the conch salad. The inside of the place is somewhere without sun.
You want the real stuff? You
Oh.
can touch it.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, man, they want to get eaten. They're live, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. You just come with the ocean. So you don't get the real deal.
Okay. Alright, I'll probably stop here. Alright, I'll probably try the conch salad.
Right.
But it's my first time, so I don't want a large. I just want something small.
That's smaller than 15.
Alright. I'm about to try some conch salad. The sun above.
Right there.
Alright, so.
I can put it mild if you come with the last one.
Okay.
Yeah, man, that's how you do it. When you order it and you pay it, they get it fixed the way you like it. That's how I do it.
Okay.
Like
So is it raw or do you like cook it?
Oh, it's like a ceviche. Like the lamb, like marinated. Now if you want the grill count is the one to cook.
Oh, but can it come in the salad?
No, the grill count is the grill count.
Oh.
Salad is some salad. Come look at the menu, come.
Okay.
Come on.
I'm gonna look at the menu. It's so
The one that
big.
you order, yeah. I just add that. That's it.
Okay.
You like it, man. Let me be adventurous, man. You're on vacation, baby.
Alright, people. I don't know if it's right? We're exploring. We're having some conch salad. I don't know if anyone can see me. Anyone see me? No. Alright. We're having conch salad. Alright, it look like this is the spot for the conch salad. I like this other spot for them. I like this other spot for the conch salad, so we're here. Get some conch salad. First, I peel up the conch. No, we're eating the conch. Back a bit further. I brought some snackies. So I have to jump in real quick with a voiceover. Right here is giving the lady the penis. The conch's peeny weenie is a very popular thing in the Bahamas for you to eat the conch's peeny weenie. It's said to give you an extra boost. Listen, he wanted me to try it, but I'm not eating the peeny weenie. I'm not eating the peeny. So let me try to give a breakdown of what is in the conch salad. So you have conch, tomato, onion, sweet peppers, you have a green pepper, yellow pepper, so on. You have vinegar, lime juice. What else did they put in it? They put a lot of seasoning in it. It's like somewhat like a pickle, but with conch in it, and it was very zesty. Really healthy, a very healthy and balanced salad, and they said that conch is very good for you. So yeah, Perry is stirring it around.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you a taste for it, okay?
Oh,
Presentation. You know. Yes.
right, thank you.
Yo.
All right, can I get some fork?
Yeah, man.
And do you have a cover for it so I can take it with me as well?
Yeah, man. You get all kind of things in the box. Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. I remember. Now I remember.
Alright, so we have the conch salad. Let's try the conch salad. Hey, you guys see me? Alright, we're gonna try conch salad. The sun too hot. So it's raw. That's not bad. Wow. That's pretty good. This is pretty good. I'm impressed. Okay, if you're in the Bahamas, you come down to China Beach is over there. You don't go to China Beach. You come over to this side. Best conch salad ever. Period. Alright. We come over here for conch salad and it was really, really good. One car pull up now, I make noise. Anyways, we tried the conch salad and it was banging. Conch salad, worth every penny at this place. I'm gonna chop it and have video of it. The conch salad, he said he has one of the best on the island. I'm gonna believe. Really, really good. It's a bit hot. I'll probably go to the beach later because I got wet, dry my swimsuit. So I'll probably just go back home and just go to the beach and leave when it's not so sunny out. Listen, sun burnt. Oh, it's almost good. That's a simple but time to go home. I take the zest and the spice. Whoa, I will look at this over look. The zest and the spice. Oh my god, my bachelor. The zest and the spice make it really nice. I'm sorry. Alright, bye. I'm waiting on them to come and pick me up. Bye. So we drank some DPH first.
Time me come to Bahamas and me tell myself that me like no blooming raw something. And my daughter now, I convinced me.
Let's try it, man.
Say me.
Camera roll. Yeah, go on. You're not gonna realize the way you eat. That's true. You see? And I've not. It tastes seasoned. You pay taste piece of conch, not true?
Never eat conch.
No, conch chop up in it, you know.
Me take a piece.
You realize you don't have no taste, not true? How it tastes?
Not it. Me just fish.
It's zesty. It's flavorful. It's flavorful. It don't taste no way. Exactly. Nothing for your fight. Oh, that means so.
I know this time some more me can say to them, you know.
It tastes horrible, not true? And then it tastes horrible.
They are criticize the people, them fool.
I never taste it.
Never taste.
Stop making up a face. You know, say no taste no way. See, look at you going at the conch salad. And them said them have some more tropical with mango in it and pineapple in it. So I guess I'm gonna try that one day.
Alright, so we're back at the house. And now we're going to go to the beach that is close by. My eyes are all swollen. But we're going to go to... Wherever, mommy. I have my water, I have my towel. I'll go and walk down to the beach that is close by. So we're going to get a little swimming in. Not swimming because I can't swim. But let's get some beach time. We're in the tropics, so we're not chilling on a beach somewhere. Why we're not chilling on a beach somewhere? If you're in the tropics, you're supposed to be chilling on a beach somewhere. Where's mommy? On our swimsuit under our clothes. This is a piece of a ship, I think, or a plane, or a submarine. No, it's a plane. It's a part of a plane. Look at the beach.
Nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep running. Keep running. Watch this. Keep running.
You get excited.
No. Put my man back.
One thing for certain, two things for sure. Playing with Jamaicans, you have to have a strong back.
I just fall over and then come back in.
Into an award ceremony. Let's see how it is on the inside. Look what we found.
Silence the noise in my mind. Hoping as we sing holy, holy, to see you high.
Mommy has so much show the other flags. Why?
Shining in the light of your glory. I want to know you.
We made it to the restaurant that they do the so we made it to the restaurant that they do the feeding of the sharks, but it's kind of late, so you can't really see me. But we made it here. I'm probably going to see if they're getting feeding tonight. Like, I wish I came in the daytime that you could actually see it, but those are sharks. Massive. This is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen, the sharks over there. That's crazy. It's shark feeding time. Look at that. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and turn on your post notifications. I love you. Bye.